Hello, it's the Coaster Craze, and today I'll be reviewing a popular clone model that us coaster enthusiasts are tired of. I'm talking about the SNS Free Spin, particularly the Joker at Six Flags Great Adventure. So, I rode this back in 2016, and I actually have some very good things to say about it. I'll start off with stats, and I'll be giving it only a 2 out of 5 because the height isn't the only part that's actually decent, and then the drop, there's like barely any, the speed is slow, and the length is bad, but that's not really what this ride is about. Next up, I have theming and scenery. I'll be giving Joker a 2.5 out of 5 for this category, about average. The theming, even though there's no on-ride theming, there is some, like how they have this like kind of plaza for the coaster, and the queue is kind of decently themed and has some like nice, it's a good looking area. And scenery, I kind of like how it's overlooking the lake behind Great Adventure, so overall, like, it's not particularly impressive, but it's still decent in this category. For Restraint and smoothness, I'll be giving Joker a perfect 5 out of 5. And the track is butter smooth, probably because it's made by RMC, which allowed me not to get any headaches. And the trains, though they have over the shoulder, they're very comfortable and more like vesty, so they feel secure, but also like comfortable, so there's no headbanging possible. Layout is difficult to do for Joker because it's somewhat repetitive and not very unique, but I'll still be giving it a 2.5 out of 5 because it serves well the purpose of this ride to flip riders upside down a lot, and it does so well, so I'm going to be giving it a decent score, but it's nothing special, and it is a clone. For intensity, I'll be giving Joker a 3.5 out of 5. So, this coaster, it's very intense in that it just makes you feel like you're kind of out of control, just flipping. You don't know when it's going to stop, but it's not going to get that 5 because it's very short and it's over like before you know it. So even though like the short amount of time is quite intense, it just doesn't have a lot of sustained intensity to it. And like the first part isn't too intense. It just really starts picking up in that second level kind of as you gain momentum and speed and you're just flipping like crazy. And overall, that's kind of how I'd sum this coaster up, that it, for the short amount of time you're on it, it's very fun and enjoyable, but it just doesn't last long and kind of gets a little repetitive, but overall, it's just a really fun ride, so I'll be giving it a 7 out of 10 overall. This is a great coaster. I don't know why everybody's hating on the SNS Free Spin model. It's very fun. I just wish that maybe they'd make some longer layouts, maybe not just vertical coasters, but have some horizontal action there too. But overall, this is just a great ride, and I'm okay with them cloning it a lot. Thank you so much for watching my review of the Joker at Six Flags Great Adventure. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome coastering content, including more reviews and ranking videos coming soon to my channel. Comment down below your opinions on the Joker or any other SNS Free Spin clone, and also comment if you have any suggestions for ranking videos or review videos. If you suggest the coaster I've ridden, I'll make sure to review it. So, see you guys later from the Coaster Craze. Bye!